Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Mobile Legends. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 controller is fully charged. To begin pairing, simultaneously press and hold the PS button and the share button on your controller for about 3 seconds. The light bar on the back will start flashing rapidly, signaling it's ready to connect. Now, open your mobile device's Bluetooth settings and look for Wireless Controller in the Available Devices list. Tap it to establish the connection. Once your controller is paired, launch Mobile Legends. Bang bang. Head into the game settings, typically represented by a small gear icon on the main screen. Within the settings, you'll need to find the Control or Gamepad section. Here, you can customize your button layout. Assign actions like movement, basic attacks, and skills to the controller buttons that feel most natural for your playstyle. This personalization is key for optimal performance. For some Android users, direct controller support might be limited, requiring a third-party key mapper. Applications such as Octopus or Panda Gamepad Pro are popular choices. Download and install one of these apps from your App Store. You'll need to grant them specific permissions to overlay controls. Launch Mobile Legends through the Mapper app, then follow its in-app instructions to precisely map your PlayStation 4 controller's buttons to the game's touch controls. To truly master controller play in Mobile Legends, practice is essential. Start with custom games to get a feel for your new setup and fine-tune your button assignments. Experiment with the in-game sensitivity settings to find what works best for your movement and aiming. Always ensure your PlayStation 4 controller has ample battery life before jumping into ranked matches. Finally, a phone mount can significantly enhance comfort and reduce hand fatigue during extended gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.